4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mount Sterling, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, Lake Darby, Urban Crest, Harrisburg, Orient, Chenoweth, Derby, Lily Chapel, Georgesville, Darby Dale, Big Plain, and Wrightsville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 82 and 85. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 79 and 101. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the